How you doing, guys? Welcome to my channel. We're gonna be working on the '05 Mustang GT. We're gonna be replacing the steering wheel. I just got a brand new one. The old one is too burned out. Let's check it out. So that's the one I'm be installing. We're gonna be using all these tools. 24 socket, 8 extension, small flat screw, and then the magnet in case we lose a screw, we can grab it. All right, let's go ahead and go inside the vehicle now. All right, now we're inside the vehicle. This is the old steering wheel. We're gonna be taking off these clips right here, these plastic clips here. This one, and then the one by the next to the key, which is this one here. We're gonna take those off now. So this is the way it looks. A little plastic. Okay, let's get the right side. Sorry guys, I only got one hand. This one here, and they'll pop up. Alright, the second one's off. Then we're gonna use the 8mm socket to take this one out. Okay, that one's out. Let's do the other side. Alright, once it's out, you grab the magnet. You get it. Booyah. Alright. That one's out. Put it over here. The screw. Right. So the airbag should come right out. Like this. Now it's out. Alright. You turn it around here. You see these little clips. These little clips right here. This one and this one. Press them in like this. I only got two hands. Bear with me. Okay, pressing it. Okay, that one's out. Black one here. Boom. So it'll come right out. All right, perfect. Now we come to this one. This one here, we're gonna take out the bolt, which is this one here. It should be 24. This one here. Okay, this is the one center. Alright, I'm gonna put it over here. Now we're gonna remove these, this one and this one. And it should be able to pop out. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so you're gonna use the little screwdriver. You're gonna put it through here to clip that little clip that's there. Once you clip it, you pull the wire out. This one. Where'd it go? Oh, right there. Put it here, which is this one here. The one you take off. And then the steering wheel should come out on its own like that, just like that. Alright, so this is the used one, and this is the new one. I'm gonna place it here, so that's the way it should look. Be careful with the clock, not to move it around. Alright, let's put the other one on. Alright, so we're gonna put these wires right through here and then install the steering wheel. Alright, you center it, that's the way it goes. You pull in the wires this way. You're gonna connect this wire, the one we disconnected from here. So you're gonna connect it right in there. Here we go. There you go, it clipped on. Now we're gonna put back the screw, which is this one here. Alright. Okay, this one's connected. Make sure all of them are connected. This one, and this one is connected. Okay, that's perfect. You can always double check, make sure everything's properly installed. Alright, now let's do this one. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, let's put the airbag in here. Okay, that's the way it goes. So we're gonna connect the top ones. Alright, that one's connected. Connect that second one here. Alright, both connect this. Let's go ahead and center it. Alright, looking good. Alright, let's put the screws back in. The left and then the right one here. Some of these little ones. 8mm socket. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, fuck. Come on. Shit.